Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. 15 coolest gadgets on Amazon that will change your life. Let's go! Once for All Safe Meat Slicer. The Once for All Safe Meat Slicer is a game changer for preparing fresh, flavorful dishes. Unlike traditional slicers, it handles fresh meats like chicken, pork, or salmon with ease, preserving their nutrition and taste. The innovative design lets you cut up to 18 slices in one swift motion, while adjustable blade sets, 2mm or 4mm, allow for perfect thickness, ideal for hot pot or BBQ. Its stainless steel construction and 8-degree sharp edge ensure professional-level precision, and the included knife sharpener keeps your tools in top shape. Cleanup is a breeze with removable parts and a hard bristle brush. Plus, its safety-first design eliminates hand contact with blades, offering unmatched security. Compact and easy to store, this slicer is a must-have for any kitchen. Dash Safe Slice Mandoline. The Dash Safe Slice Mandoline sets the gold standard in slicing safety and versatility. Its unique design keeps hands far from the built-in blades, making it a safe yet effective tool for perfect slices. With over 30 slicing options, from 1 to 8 meter thickness to julienne and matchstick cuts, it's a kitchen multitasker. The compact design folds for easy storage, while the included brush ensures hassle-free cleanup. The food catch container keeps counters mess-free, adding convenience. Ideal as a gift or for everyday use, this Mandoline is small enough for any kitchen yet powerful enough to tackle various tasks. Designed in NYC, it also comes with reliable US-based customer support, perfect for home cooks seeking precision and peace of mind. Bella Classic Waffle Maker. The Bella Classic Waffle Maker elevates breakfast with ease and style. Its versatile design accommodates more than just waffles. Think pancakes and hash browns. The rotating function ensures evenly cooked, golden results every time, with 9 browning settings for customized perfection. A large capacity makes it ideal for family mornings, while non-stick surfaces and a removable drip tray simplify cleanup. With a sleek, compact design and folding handle, it's easy to store and fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The cool touch handle and secure non-slip feet add safety, making it perfect for families. Whether gifting or treating yourself, this waffle maker is the ultimate blend of functionality and elegance. OSTBA Meat Slicer 200W. The OSTBA 200W meat slicer brings professional slicing precision to your home. Its 7.5-inch serrated blade cuts through frozen meats, cheese, and more with ease, while an adjustable thickness setting offers versatility from thin deli cuts to thick slices. The inclusion of serrated and non-serrated blades makes it adaptable for everything from bread to harder foods. Safety is a priority with a dual-button start system and non-slip suction feet for stability. Cleaning is effortless with removable parts, including the blade and food carriage, ensuring sanitation. With its robust power and thoughtful features, this slicer is perfect for home chefs aiming for restaurant-quality results. OSTBA Food Dehydrator Machine. The OSTBA Food Dehydrator Machine simplifies making nutritious snacks at home. With an LED digital control panel, adjustable temperatures 95, 158, and a 72-hour timer, it's easy to achieve precise results. The 360-degree airflow ensures even drying for meat jerky, fruit, herbs, and more, while the transparent window allows you to monitor progress. Compact yet efficient, its BPA-free stackable trays save counter space and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. A recipe book inspires creative homemade snacks, from fruit roll-ups to dog treats. Ideal for preserving food and making healthy options for your family, this dehydrator is a reliable and user-friendly addition to any kitchen. EyeVac Home Touchless Vacuum. The EyeVac Home Touchless Vacuum redefines convenience for quick, mess-free cleaning. With a powerful 1,000-watt motor, it instantly removes 100% of dust, hair, and debris, making it a lifesaver for pet owners and parents. Its touchless operation, activated by infrared sensors, means no bending or dustpan struggles. Just sweep debris directly into the unit. Equipped with high-efficiency filters, it purifies the air as it cleans. The sleek design is always ready for action, and its ease of use makes it great for seniors. Whether you're tidying up pet hair or spilled crumbs, the EyeVac offers a hassle-free solution. Compact, efficient, and thoughtful in design, it's a fantastic addition to any home. A broom isn't included, but satisfaction is guaranteed. ThermoPro TP18. The ThermoPro TP18 takes precision cooking to the next level. Featuring advanced thermocouple technology, this digital meat thermometer delivers ultra-fast readings in just 2 to 3 seconds, with an impressive accuracy of plus 0.9 degree Celsius. The large backlit display is easy to read even during late-night grilling sessions, and the lock function keeps the reading visible after removing the probe. Compact and practical, its fold-away design includes a magnetic back for convenient storage. The thermometer also supports calibration for lifelong accuracy. With a wide temperature range of 14 degrees to 572 degrees, it's perfect for everything from grilling steaks to baking desserts. Batteries are included, so it's ready to use right out of the box. This durable and user-friendly tool is a must-have for any kitchen. Dezin Hot Pot Electric upgraded. The Dezin Hot Pot Electric is a versatile, compact cooking solution perfect for dorms, RVs, or small kitchens. Its non-stick coating allows you to sauté or cook with minimal oil, offering easy cleanup and healthier meals. With adjustable power settings, 250W and 600W, and overheating protection, it ensures safe and efficient cooking. This 1.5L pot can handle a variety of meals, from noodles to fried rice, and heats quickly for enhanced flavor. Lightweight and easy to store, it's great for travelers or students. The included egg rack and spatula add convenience, and its charming design makes it a thoughtful gift. Whether you're prepping a simple meal or a small feast, this pot delivers reliability and style. Eco Motion Sensor Trash Can. The Eco Motion Sensor Trash Can combines functionality with a sleek design to enhance your kitchen experience. Featuring premium motion sensor technology, its touchless operation ensures a hygienic and seamless cleanup process. Its anti-fingerprint stainless steel finish keeps it looking pristine, while the matte metallic exterior adds a modern touch. Offering 25% more capacity with a liner-free design, it minimizes waste bag usage. The lid's soft close feature ensures quiet operation, and a stay open mode aids during heavy cleanups. Powered by AA batteries lasting up to 8 months, this trash can is efficient and eco-friendly. A practical and stylish solution for any home, it's perfect for those seeking convenience without compromising aesthetics. TUUMIIST Juicer Machines. The TUUMIIST juicer machine makes juicing easier, healthier, and more efficient. Its large 5.3-inch feed chute accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, reducing prep time significantly. Using slow squeeze technology at 43 RPM, it preserves nutrients and freshness, providing a high juice yield packed with vitamins. This BPA-free masticating juicer ensures safe and chemical-free juicing. Assembly and cleanup are effortless, thanks to its simple design and included cleaning brush. With a 300-watt motor, it excels in extracting maximum juice with minimal waste. Ideal for anyone seeking a healthier lifestyle, the TUUMIIST is perfect for gifting on any occasion. Reliable and user-friendly, this juicer is an excellent addition to any kitchen. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner simplifies meal prep with a one-handed pump for effortless drying. Its patented brake halts spinning instantly, ensuring quick, controlled results. A storage lock keeps the pump flush for easy stacking, while the non-skid base adds stability during use. The removable spinner basket doubles as a colander for rinsing greens, and the durable clear bowl works perfectly for serving or storage. This salad spinner is a time-saving, versatile kitchen essential that's both functional and stylish. Its thoughtful design ensures convenience from washing to serving, making it a reliable tool for home chefs who value efficiency and practicality. Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer. The Eurolux Premium Electric Orange Juicer delivers commercial-grade juicing power with its 160W motor. Designed for universal use, its one-size-fits-all cone handles any citrus fruit with ease. The soft grip rubber handle enables effortless one-touch operation, saving time and energy. Constructed with premium stainless steel, it offers durability and a sleek aesthetic that complements any kitchen decor. Backed by over 30 years of Eurolux reliability, this juicer is a trustworthy investment for fresh, nutrient-packed juices. Whether you're making orange juice for breakfast or squeezing limes for cocktails, the Eurolux juicer makes the process simple, efficient, and enjoyable. Sweet Alice Gravity, electric pepper, and salt grinder set. The Sweet Alice Gravity electric grinder set combines convenience and innovation with its hands-free operation. Just flip it, and the grinder activates automatically. Adjustable settings let you customize the grind from coarse to fine, and the high-quality ceramic rotor ensures consistent results. The transparent acrylic design allows you to monitor spice levels easily, while the blue LED light adds a functional and stylish touch. Perfect for various seasonings, this battery-powered set is ideal for kitchens, outdoor picnics, and more. Thoughtfully designed with ease and fun in mind, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience. EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker's Countertop. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts. It produces soft, chewable nugget ice in just 7 to 10 minutes, with a 35-pound daily capacity. Compact and user-friendly, it fits seamlessly on countertops and features a one-button operation for hassle-free ice production. Its self-cleaning system eliminates the need for manual scrubbing, making maintenance a breeze. Perfect for parties, home use, or offices, this ice maker ensures a constant supply of refreshing ice for drinks, cocktails, and more. Reliable and efficient, the EUHOMY ice maker is a must-have for anyone who loves cold beverages and convenience. FEPPO Food Warming Mat. The FEPPO Food Warming Mat offers rapid, even heating in just 10 seconds with its advanced graphene technology. Made from durable silicone nanomaterial, it's stain-resistant, easy to clean, and rolls up for compact storage. With 6 adjustable temperature settings, 122 degrees to 12 degrees, and a timer that keeps food warm for up to 6 hours, it's perfect for parties, buffets, and daily meals. This versatile mat can also ferment dough, defrost food, and maintain ideal dish temperatures for gatherings and special occasions. Whether for family dinners or festive celebrations, the FEPPO warming mat ensures every dish stays deliciously warm and ready to serve. These 15 coolest gadgets on Amazon showcase the best of innovation and practicality. Each gadget brings a unique solution to common challenges, offering a mix of style and functionality that suits any lifestyle. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for the perfect gift, these Amazon finds are guaranteed to impress. Don't miss out on these game-changing tools that are transforming how we live and work. Ready to upgrade your routine? Click the links in our review to discover these amazing Amazon gadgets and bring innovation into your everyday life today.